Robbery suspect now in SAPD custody. That is our top story this evening. That suspect accused of robbing a CVS Pharmacy on the northeast side. John Paul Barajas is where police were able to catch him.
That suspect robbed a CVS that's just a few blocks away and actually led police on a very short-lived chase before hitting a curb here on Spring Creek and stopping in this home's front yard. You can actually still see the ruts and the tire markings in the grass where he stopped. Now, this all happened around noon, so this scene is completely cleared now, but this is what it looked like. Numerous SAPD units swarmed this neighborhood street. Our team was told they actually had to tase the suspect to get him into custody. Once they did, they found he had taken cough syrup from the CVS, something he was even proud of as he was being put in the back of the cop car.
I'll be back in a minute, man. You know what I'm saying? Almost had 20 pints, man.
Police said this entire situation could have been a lot worse because the suspect had a gun on him at the time of the arrest. John Paul Barajas, KSAT 12 News.